how to recall an email in Outlook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Outlook on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the Sent items from the left side toolbar and further, double tap on the email that you want to recall. With this, a pop-up will appear, so tap on the three dots you see there on top toolbar, and in the menu that appears, you will see the recall message option. Tap on that, and then in the confirmation that appears, tap on the OK button, and with this the email will be recalled. So this is how you can recall an email in Outlook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.